Hello, this is Unit 17 Negative Sentences. Negative sentences मतलब हो गया एक तरीके से not, यानी कि जो सेंटेंस not के साथ यूज हो रहे हैं. Like, अब देखते हैं हम. Compare the following sentences. I am ill, मैं बीमार हूं. I am not ill, मैं बीमार नहीं हूं. He is my son, he is not my son, मेरा बेटा नहीं है. These flowers are beautiful, these flowers are not beautiful. Hari was busy, Hari was not busy. These boys were present yesterday, these boys were not present yesterday. तो a sentence which has not in it is called a negative sentence. तो ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसमें कि not लगा हुआ होता है उसे हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बोलते हैं. द सेंटेंस ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड विच हैव नॉट इन देम आर नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. तो देखिए सभी में नॉट लगा हुआ था, इसलिए दीज सेंटेंसेस आर नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. नाउ कंपेयर द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. शी हैज अ पेन, शी हैज नो पेन. दे हैव अ रिंग, दे हैव नो रिंग. वी हैज सम मनी विद हिम, ही हैज सम मनी विद हिम, he has no money with him. A sentence having no in it is also called a negative sentence. तो ऐसे sentences जिनमें no लगा हो वो भी negative sentences कहलाते हैं. The sentences on the right hand side which have no in them are negative sentences. तो देखिए इन सब में no लगा हुआ है, इसलिए ये सारे के सारे negative sentences कहलाते हैं. Now compare the following sentences. We shall go there, we shall not go there. I am going home, I am not going home. He is coming here, he is not coming here. The boys are playing in the park, the boys are not playing in the park. He was talking, he was not talking. They were sleeping in the open, they were not sleeping in the open. From the above sentences, it is clear that when the verb is made up of two words, we form the negative sentence by putting not after the first word. तो देखिए जब दो verb है, shall go, am going, is coming, तो ये जब दो दो verbs लगे हुए हैं और हमें अब negative sentences बनाने हैं तो first verb के बाद हम negative sentence लिख देते हैं, यानी कि not. shall not, am not, is not. तो देखिए first वर्ब के बाद नॉट लग के और फिर सेकंड वर्ब आ जाता है. इस तरीके से हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं अगर किसी सेंटेंसेस में जब दो वर्ड्स वर्ब हों तो. ओके, नाउ एक्सरसाइज फर्स्ट. टर्न द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस इनटू नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट है आई एम बिजी टुडे, तो ये हो जाएगा आई एम नॉट बिजी टुडे. आई विल डू इट नाउ, I will not do it now. She is singing, she is not singing. It is cold today, it is not cold today. I shall go there, I shall not go there. We are hungry, we are not hungry. Hari was absent, Hari was not absent. The door is shut, the door is not shut. Sita is a clever girl, Sita is not a clever girl. They were reading, they were not reading. इस तरीके से हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हैं. नाउ टर्न द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इनटू नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सतीश was present yesterday, Satish was not present yesterday. It is very hot today, it is not very hot today. I shall go to Bombay tomorrow, I shall not go to Bombay tomorrow. She has a sweet voice, she has not a sweet voice. Kamla was ill yesterday, Kamla was not ill yesterday. Satish is angry with her sister, Sushila is angry with her sister, Sushila is not angry with her sister. I can do this sum easily, I cannot do this sum easily. We shall go out for a walk, we shall not go out for a walk. The windows were shut by Ashok, the windows were not shut by Ashok. The girls were singing, there. The girls were not singing there. तो इस तरीके से this is the end of the unit for negative sentences. Thank you.